Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Happy Sunday. So today's tutorial is all about bronzed glowy skin. So if you want to see how I achieved this look, just keep on watching. So the first thing I'm doing is just going in with the new Fenty Beauty bronzer in the shade Cocoa Naughty, and I'm just packing it all over my lid and then blending it out, making sure we don't have any harsh lines. And that's honestly what I do for my eyes, just using that one bronzer as my eyeshadow, and I'm telling you guys, it looks so bomb. I love this bronzer. So now it's time to focus on the skin and really get that glow going. So I'm going in with the Beauty Bakery Wake and Bake Hydrating Face Oil. And I love using this face oil to make my foundation look super dewy and hydrating. And it honestly just makes it all blend in like skin. And now the next thing I'm going in with is my MAC Strobe Cream in the shade Peach Light. If you guys have oily skin, you probably would want to skip the first step and just go in with your strobe cream. But honestly, since I have dry skin, I can get away with it. Now I'm going in with my Too Faced Born This Way foundation in the shade Brulee. And I'm taking honestly the smallest amount of foundation. I'm not going for a full coverage look, making it very sheer so it looks like my skin. But as you guys can see, I took a little extra foundation where I have hyperpigmentation, so I have a good amount of coverage over there. And now I'm going in with my Too Faced Born This Way Super Coverage Concealer in this shade Warm Sand. You guys already know I love this concealer. It is my holy grail concealer, hands down. And now I'm going in and setting my under eyes with my Laura Mercier translucent powder. And now I'm just dusting away that excess powder. This is the part I've been waiting for, to snatch my face up, guys, with this bronzer. And I'm just going in and on my cheeks. And of course, snatching the nose, honey. I live for a good nose contour. So now it is time to glow. And the first highlighter I used, because yes, I'm extra like that. I did use two. And I'm using the Fenty Beauty Diamond Bomb highlighter. And then the next highlighter I'm going in with is the Fenty Beauty Kilowatt in the shade Mean Money Hustler Baby. And I just love how the two look together. I feel like they really complemented each other. And then I'm just going back in with my bronzer brush to really blend my highlighter and bronzer together. And now I'm just gonna set my face with my MAC Fix Plus. And then I'm just going ahead and applying mascara, and I did my lashes off camera. And then now I'm going in with some brown eyeliner, and I think this eyeliner is by Maybelline. I'm gonna make sure to link it in the description box below. And then I'm going back in with that same bronzer from Fenty and using it on my lower lash line just to smudge out that liner and kind of give it like a brown smoky effect. And now I'm going back in with the Diamond Bomb highlighter in the inner corner of my eyes, and I'm also bringing it up into my crease just to give my eyes a beautiful glow. And I'm also working both highlighters onto my brow bone as well. And now I'm going in with the Fenty Beauty Mademoiselle lipstick in the shade Flamingo Acid. And guys, I am obsessed with this lipstick. Now, as much as I love this lipstick, I kind of felt like the matte lip didn't really go with the vibe I was going for today. So I just topped it off with this clear lip gloss by Laura Geller. Alright guys, and this is the final results. I hope you guys enjoyed this really quick glam look. If you guys enjoyed this tutorial, make sure you give it a big thumbs up. You already know what to do. Hit that like button and also comment your thoughts below. I would love to hear what you guys think of this look. And like always, I'll see you guys in my next video.
Ladies and gentlemen,